Okay, so this is your tutorial for browser basics. There's three browsers. There's Safari, which looks like a compass, Firefox, which is a globe with a fox going around it, and Google Chrome, which looks like that. Safari will definitely be in your dock already when you get your computer, and Firefox and Google Chrome are in the application folder. So to get to those, you go to applications folder, which looks like this. Click on that, open it up, scroll down, it's in alphabetical order. You'll see Firefox, drag and drop, and then it'll be in your dock for you from then on. And you can just repeat the same process to get Google Chrome. With Safari, you just click to open it, and then it will open to whatever your home page is. And basically, to set your home page, you go up to Safari, then you go down to Preferences, and then you go to General, make sure it's on General, and then it'll say home page, and then you can either do set to the current page you're on, whatever that page is, or type in the URL and then exit out. Whenever you get in that, then it will now show up as your home page. A couple things you need to know about Safari. To refresh a page, you can either do that right here by clicking on this button, or you can hit the Command R button. That will also refresh your page, excuse me. Then you also need to know new tab. This is standard on all browsers along with reloading your page. It's either Command T on the keyboard or just File New Tab. You also have File New Window, which will open up a completely new window of your browser. So a couple nice things about Safari real quick is top sites. Top sites basically allows you to, when you bookmark a website, it allows you basically to have a short list of all your a short list of all the websites you use, and it just kind of puts them all together on this page. You can rearrange them, delete them, do whatever you need to. That's an option with when you bookmark your things, which you'll learn in another tutorial. You also have the bookmarks menu, which allows you to quickly access all your links, and you have the bookmarks drop down menu. You also have history, so you can find websites that you were on earlier. You also have your Google Quick Search or whatever. You can set it if you click over here on the little down triangle. You can hit Google, Yahoo, or Bing. So whenever you need to really quickly search something, you can do that right there. So that's kind of just the basics to Safari. Firefox is the same thing. Just click to open. It'll load your home page. Once again, to set your home page, preferences. And the only thing that's different with this is still under general, but it allows you to choose from your bookmark list. So, same basic feature there. You also have the same file, new tab, file, new window, or there's the keyboard options. Refresh is right over here. For quick bookmarking, you can use here. And it also offers the Google search, or it also offers Yahoo, Bing, and a couple other search engines or things like that. So that's kind of just the basics of Firefox. Now for Google Chrome, once again, click to open. Google Chrome doesn't let you set your home page. It just kind of has a generic. When you open it up, it's just kind of all the recent things you visited and the most recent things, your most visited websites. And then it also, once again, it has history. Bookmarks, it offers the bookmark menu up here, and as well as the bookmarks bar, which goes across the middle. And then it also has the most visited, which is kind of similar to top sites. With Google Chrome, the one thing that is a little bit different from the other two browsers is instead of having a little search bar over here, it does everything through Google since it's a Google product. So if you need to find something like, let's see here, what's the chemical formula for sodium chloride? So you just search sodium chloride, and if you just hit enter, it'll run that right through Google for you. So that's the one thing that's a little bit different with Google Chrome. So that's kind of just the basics for all three browsers. Really, when it boils down to it, You're just going to need to use each one for a little bit and decide which one you like best.